This video is going to focus on color modes, and so you're likely to want to change your color modes from RGB to CMYK or to Greyscale. This image, if I check, is currently a CMYK image, so that's great for commercial printing. So cyan, magenta, yellow and key being black, and so that's what those printer cartridges that you have in your printer go through and use. If you have an image in RGB and you try and print it out using CMYK, often it will be less vibrant because the screen can produce a lot more colors, especially those really bright, vibrant colors, saturated colors, than what a printer, and especially a commercial printer, can produce. If you're producing something for screen, so maybe an advertisement, maybe it's going online, it's going to be best if it's in RGB, so that's red, green and blue, and that's how color is produced by light on the screen using those colors. The last method to go through and change is you might be changing it to Greyscale. There's two methods of that. So first of all, you can go to adjustments, down to black and white, and it will default at Greyscale, and therefore we have the Greyscale. I'll just undo what I've done there, and I'm going to change it just using the Greyscale tab. I'm going to discard that information, and therefore we have Greyscale once again. Best to save that file and rename it. Might be black and white, Greyscale, CMYK, RGB. Thank you.